Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify something went wrong. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify something went wrong, you should just go to settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to the window of Spotify. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click on storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can mix or give you a lot of problems on your app. And then you can click Play Store. If you'll find your update in this blue sign, then you can click to update your application to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.